and just anchor superiorly onto the tissue, and then allow the movement of the shoulder to dictate the movement of the muscles underneath your contact. Good. So here we're working with this shearing idea again, and I'm not elbowing her directly into the rib cage. I'm actually using more the posterior aspect of my elbow, almost a little bit the lower third of my triceps. I'm facing medially, I'm in more of a squat position, and I'm just going to hold my frame, hold my elbow a little bit pitched away from me, and then allow myself to make contact by anchoring and bending from my knees. Good.